Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to Mysteries from Beyond the Other Dominion and the Vault of Strange Deaths. I'm your host, Dr. Franklin Rule. Now, roll tape. Strange Deaths. See what we have here? Okay, ghost versus witch. Now this is two workers in Vladimir, India. And one was arguing that ghosts are more powerful than witches. The other said vice versa, and they're having a terrible argument. Finally, the man who championed the ghosts took an axe to the one who championed the witches and killed him. Now, you know what I say? Sometimes ghosts are more powerful than witches. Other times, witches are more powerful than ghosts. I like these people would be potential viewers of my show. It's a great argument. Just don't take it to that extreme. Yes, a good debate, but don't kill yourselves over this. Thank you. See what else we have here. Oh, he gutted himself. I tried to tell you about this before. It's a man down in Thailand. I call him a doofus because he's convinced that a sorcerer had put a buffalo hide in his tummy. So you know what he did? He gutted himself to take it out, but instead he bled to death. And then at autopsy they found that there is no buffalo hide inside of him. So now I want to say, is any of you feel that someone's cursed you or put a buffalo hide inside? Just let it alone. Let it be. Take a little of that pink stuff. But please don't gut yourself. I say we need every one of you. We can't afford to lose any more audience members. Thank you. Okay, here's what we have. Don't chase after pennies. Now, these were two New Zealand tourists in Boston. They're waiting for a train when they noticed some coins on the tracks. So they both jumped down. One guy got 11 cents. The other touched the rail and got electrocuted. You know what I say? Sure. If there's $11, it'd go jump down, but 11 pennies don't. You can find 11 cents just looking on the sidewalk, and you don't risk getting electrocuted. Again, I'm asking you guys, be careful. We're in a ratings war here. Now, until next time, may the power of the cosmos be with you. Yes. 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 Now again, until next time, may the power of the cosmos be with you. Yes, yes, yes.